I type thousands of words a day, and after testing a lot of keyboards, the Logitech MX Keys is the one I keep coming back to. It's the best wireless keyboard for productivity work, full stop. The typing feel is what sets it apart. The keys have a slight concave curve that matches your fingertips perfectly, and the actuation is just right, tactile without being noisy. After a few minutes, you stop thinking about the keyboard and just start writing. Backlit keys with smart illumination. The keyboard detects your hands approaching and lights up automatically. Convenient in low light, and it extends battery life by staying dark when you're not using it. Multi-device connectivity is the killer feature. One keyboard can connect to up to 3 computers, Mac, Windows, iPad, and you switch between them with a single keystroke. If you work across multiple devices, this alone is worth the price. Battery life is around 10 days with backlighting on or 5 months with it off. Charges via USB-C in about 2 hours. At $90, it's firmly mid-range. Not cheap, but not crazy either for something you'll use every single day. And it's built to last. If you spend significant time typing and want a keyboard that actually makes that experience better, this is the one I'd recommend. Amazon link is below. Free Prime shipping and typically in stock.